Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Excel file and saving it to a shared location like OneDrive or SharePoint so links work reliably. Once saved, remove or hide any sensitive tabs and check named ranges won't expose data. Next, decide whether recipients need edit rights or only view access. Granting edit changes collaboration. Make sure autosave is on to prevent version conflicts, and keep the file name clear so recipients recognize it instantly. Now you generate access. Go to File, then Share, and choose whether to invite people by email or create a link. Once there, pick precise permissions, edit, comment, or view, and limit scope to specific people when required to reduce risk. If your platform supports it, add an expiration date or password for extra security. After configuring, include a clear message explaining purpose and actions needed. Then send the invite so recipients know how and when to respond. Finish by confirming recipients can open the file and perform intended tasks. Ask one person to verify access immediately. Once collaboration begins, monitor access and use version history to revert unwanted edits. This keeps your data safe and recoverable. If problems occur, revoke the link, change permissions, or reshare a fresh link. As a troubleshooting tip, if recipients report access issues, verify their account type and your share settings. Most problems are mismatches between chosen permission scope and recipient account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.